The G85 Praia gastronomic display case 1180-1480 mm long assembly. Unscrew the top panel of the package. Unscrew the side panels of the package. Unscrew the front and the back panels of the package. Warning: there is the front window on the display case. On the tabletop, there are the shelves. Remove the display pallets from the rack. Warning: inside the display case there are accessories, side windows, sachets, metalwares. Install the display pallets. Unscrew the 4M10 bolts. Screw in the 4M10 adjustable supports. Remove the display case from the pallet and align it with the adjustable supports. Install the side windows. Insert the side left and right holders into the lamp plafon. Install the lights with the 4 bushes and the 4M6 to 16 combi screws. Install the shelf holders on the side windows with the 4 bushes and the 4M6 to 16 combi screws, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the shelf inside the display case. Install the top window. Install the front window. Install the sachets, having removed the protective film beforehand. The G85 gastronomic display case now is ready for use.